Now here's Mario with the chef with Sunday Brunch.
All right, I'm happy I see bacon on the table. Chef Frank Terranova from Classic Cooking is here.
Hey, Ma, Hawaii. A little birdie told me it was somebody's birthday.
Oh.
And for the man who has everything, what do you buy? Get him a pound of bacon. Make life easy. I mean, it is, go to the market, pick him up a pound, and we're good to go. Ma, this is a really simple recipe. Actually, it's a brownie.
Oh, okay.
Okay, what is it? It's a caramel. It's a bacon caramel brownie. But we made it. I left it whole. So here we have some beautiful melted chocolate. This is 63% butterfat, dark chocolate, and butter. Into this, we're going to add 2 sugars. We're going to add brown sugar, and we're going to add white sugar. Mm-hmm. You're going to incorporate this in, splash of vanilla extract, and now eggs.
Okay.
Now, I beat the eggs up ahead of time. I've watched the pastry chefs at school, and instead of banging one egg and going crazy, put the eggs in. Once this is incorporated, the flour. We have flour and cocoa powder and a pinch of salt. Ooh. What's interesting, there's no leavening in this. This is a very dense cake. And then what we're going to do is we're going to empty half of this into this pan.
Yeah.
And then what we're going to do is add half of this, then half of the bacon, then we're going to pour the rest of this on top. This takes a little while to mix.
Okay.
And then, of course, in the middle goes caramel.
Ooh.
Get yourself a decent caramel. This stuff is, and then caramel on top. When it bakes, you cut it, and it's like one of your famous candy bars that you used to have when you were a kid. So this is really good.
Where's the finished product?
I don't know. Well, Anthony had it hidden in the office all the time.
Oh, my gosh. Anthony.
There you go.
Look at this. Oh, my gosh. You want to say and have some? Oh, my God.
By the way, the bacon is candied. I'll give you the recipe for it. Actually, to be perfectly honest with you, that's my private stock. I smoked that on Saturday. I did about 15 pounds.
Oh, my God.
And it's really, it's pretty dense because there's caramel in the center. And once it cooked, the caramel firmed up. So if you like dense chocolate, you're going to like this.
Oh, God. This looks amazing.
Yep. Of course, but it's Happy Bacon Birthday Day.
Oh, my God.
I can hear a crunch. It sounds like there's peanuts in it.
Mm-hmm.
Is it? Yeah, this is really tasty. It's really a nice cake, Mario.
I don't need candles on the cake.
No, that was the candles. I was going to light them on fire, but I was afraid to have a problem in the studio, so I said I better not light them.
And what are we calling it?
This is caramel bacon brownies.
Recipes on our website?
Turn10.com.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Happy birthday.
Thanks, and we'll see you next week.
We'll be here.